Have you ever wished for a robot that not only vacuums but also mops your floors so that you can sit back, relax, and maybe even binge watch your favorite show? Well, guess what? That dream is now a reality. Today, we're diving into the world of the best robot vacuum cleaners with mopping features, where these gadgets don't just pick up the crumbs but also leave your floors spotless like they're auditioning for a cleaning contest. These smart robots will do the dirty work for you, leaving you with more time to enjoy life. But which one is truly the best? Stick around as we count down the top 5 robot vacuum cleaners with mopping features, from budget-friendly to the cream of the crop. Let's get started. Number 5. Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This little guy may not have the fanciest name, but it sure knows how to multitask. Perfect for people who are looking for an affordable option without sacrificing performance, this robot is the ultimate clean-it-all gadget. Imagine coming home after a long day and your floors are already clean. No crumbs, no spills, just pure, clean floors, all thanks to this budget-friendly hero. One of its standout features is its smart 2-in-1 vacuuming and mopping system. It can vacuum your carpets and mop your hard floors simultaneously, saving you time and effort. Plus, it's equipped with a 450-milliliter dust box and a 250-milliliter water tank, which means it can handle both dry and wet cleaning tasks efficiently. No need to constantly stop and empty it. It's built for longer cleaning sessions. Now here's a fun part. Also uses intelligent navigation to map your home and avoid obstacles. This robot is not bumping into furniture like a confused toddler. Instead, it zips around like a pro, making sure no corner is left untouched. Oh, and did I mention it has voice control? Yup. You can tell it to clean and it listens. Alexa, clean the kitchen, and boom, your floors are spotless. Number 4. Eureka X10's Robot Vacuum with Bagless Self-Emptying Station. Next up, at number 4, is the Eureka X10's Robot Vacuum with Bagless Self-Emptying Station. Now let me tell you, if you hate emptying your vacuum as much as I do, this robot is about to become your new best friend. This robot is like that overachieving kid in school who does extra homework just because they love it. What sets the Eureka X10s apart is the fact that it comes with a bagless self-emptying station. After it finishes vacuuming and mopping, it goes back to its charging station and dumps all the dirt and dust it collected. You won't have to touch a thing. No messy bags, no awkward trips to the trash can. It's like having your own personal cleaning assistant who never complains. The 3000 PSI suction power ensures that even the tiniest specks of dust and debris are picked up. Whether it's pet hair, crumbs, or that random leaf someone tracked in from outside, Eureka X10s doesn't miss a spot. Plus, it has mapping technology that creates an exact layout of your home, so it doesn't randomly wander around like a lost robot. It's efficient and knows exactly where to go, giving you maximum coverage with minimum effort. Now let's talk about its mopping feature. This isn't just a simple swipe of a wet cloth. The Eureka X10s has a smart water tank system that adjusts the amount of water it uses based on the type of floor it's cleaning. Hardwood floors? No problem. Tiles? Easy. It knows how to handle each surface delicately. Number 3. Shark Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Coming hot at number 3 is the Shark Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. And trust me, this one's a game changer. If you got pets, messy kids, or a house that always seems to need cleaning, the Shark Robot is here to save the day. And no, it doesn't come with actual shark teeth to clean up messes, but it sure acts like it. The first thing you'll notice is its powerful suction system, perfect for picking up pet hair, dirt, and crumbs from carpets and hard floors. And let's talk about the mopping feature. The Shark Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo uses sonic mopping technology to scrub your floors, making sure that even the toughest stains are gone. It doesn't just drag a wet cloth around, it actually scrubs, making your floors cleaner than you thought possible. It's like having your own little robot butler, except you don't have to pay it or give it a day off. Here's a fun fact: the Shark Robot can actually map your home and create a cleaning schedule. Imagine that. You can set it to clean every Monday and Thursday, and boom, it's like magic. You come home to clean floors every single time. Plus, it's equipped with sensors that detect obstacles and cliffs, so it won't fall down the stairs or bump into walls. Another thing that makes it a must-have is the multi-stage filtration system, which captures dust, allergens, and pet dander. It's perfect for people who suffer from allergies or just hate dust floating around in the air. And if you want it to clean specific rooms, you can just use the voice control feature and tell it what to do. Shark, clean the kitchen, and off it goes like a mini cleaning ninja. Number 2. Roborock Qrevo S Robot Vacuum and Mop. Alright, now we're getting into the heavy hitters. And number 2 is the Roborock Qrevo S Robot Vacuum and Mop. And let me tell you, this robot is like the cleaning superhero you never knew you needed. Roborock has made a name for itself in the world of robot vacuums, and the Qrevo S is no exception. This machine is the real deal. First off, it features dual cleaning systems, both vacuuming and mopping. But here's where it gets cool. It actually self-washes its mopping cloth after each use. Yeah, you heard that right. The Roborock Qrevo S cleans itself. The days of manually rinsing out the mop pad are over. It even dries itself to prevent mold and bacteria from building up. Talk about luxury. With 4,200 suction power, this beast can handle anything from fine dust to large debris. Whether it's pet hair, food crumbs, or dirt from the outside, it'll suck it all up. The Qrevo S also comes with LiDAR navigation technology, which means it can map your home with incredible precision. It won't miss any spots and will clean your house in the most efficient way possible. The mopping feature on the Roborock Qrevo S is also top-notch. It has a vaporized system that scrubs your floors at high speed, removing even the most stubborn stains. Whether it's coffee spills, muddy footprints, or sticky soda spills, this robot gets rid of it all like it's nothing. Number 1. Eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the number 1 robot vacuum and mop on our list is the Eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop. This is the ultimate cleaning machine, and once you have it in your home, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. What makes the Eufy X10 Pro stand out from the crowd is its 360-degree laser navigation system. This thing doesn't just randomly wander around your home, it intelligently maps out every corner, every hallway, and every room with pinpoint accuracy. The result? Perfectly clean floors without any missed spots. But wait, there's more. The Eufy X10 Pro is equipped with dual vacuuming and mopping systems. The vacuum uses 4,000 suction power to deep clean carpets and hard floors, picking up everything from dust to pet hair. The mop, on the other hand, uses a rotating mop system that scrubs your floors, making sure they shine like they're brand new. And here's where things get really fancy. The Eufy X10 Pro is a self-cleaning machine. After it finishes mopping, it actually cleans its own mop pads. Plus, it has a self-emptying dustbin that can hold up to 60 days of debris, so you won't have to empty it constantly. Imagine not having to touch a vacuum or mop for 2 whole months. That's the future we're living in, folks. Another standout feature is its AI-powered obstacle avoidance system. This robot uses AI to detect and avoid obstacles like furniture, pets, or random toys lying around. No more watching your robot awkwardly bump into things. The Eufy X10 Pro is smart enough to maneuver around everything with ease. So there you have the top 5 best robot vacuum cleaners with mopping features. These smart gadgets are more than just cleaning tools. They're your new household superheroes. Whether you're looking for an affordable option or a high-tech cleaning machine, these robots have got you covered. Which one will you choose to save the day in your home? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. And hey, drop a comment below and let me know which robot you'd love to have in your home. See you in the next one, unless, of course, your new robot takes over all your chores.